Alright everybody, welcome to another video of Frontier Michigan, and today I'm going to talk about my planned lighting upgrades and supporting mods to make that happen. So as you know, I've already installed the aux beam RA60, which is a 6-gang 6-switch panel, and I did so that I could install, various lights and accessories onto it. So starting with the fog lights that I ordered, they are the SS6 fog light kit for the Frontier. I'm ordered them through Foxbeam Aftermarket Lighting. And the reason I went through Foxbeam is because they make this bezel that the SS6s sit in. They 3D print these. Now I ordered mine in amber, and they are about $360 for the kit. And when you factor in tax and shipping, I think I paid like $385 somewhere in there. These are meant to work as a direct plug and play, but I am divorcing my fogs from the headlights so that I don't have to have my headlights turned on to run fogs. So what they look like is this. These brackets are 3D printed with the Dial Dynamics SS6 mounted in them. And this includes the brackets, the stage 6 bars in the selected lens color with the mounting hardware, and two Deutsch to H11 adapters. I'm going to make my own harness to hook them into the aux beam, so that's not going to really be an issue. So let's move on and talk about the actual lights that I ordered themselves that is included in this kit. So if we go over the diode dynamics, what I have here is the SAE fog, which you have to have the SAE rating on them in order to use them on the road as, a driving light in a way. You got the amber. This is the pattern they put out. The driving's more of like a spot with a wider beam to it, whereas the fog is meant to be used as a fog light. You can see the nice deep golden yellow color, which would be great for inclement weather. Great here in Michigan because, we get snow good 5-6 months of the year, and then fall and certain parts of spring. We get some pretty heavy fog up here. These are using their TIR optics, and TIR is their total internal reflectivity. So all of the light gets projected forward, and then it goes through the lens, and the lens disperses it into the beam pattern that you order. So I got the SAE fogs, which would put out more of this cone here, whereas the driving lights would be more projected forward. So, for those that are wondering, the SAE fog wide pattern is J5 or J583 certified as a fog lamp, legal for on-road use. So before somebody that doesn't know tries to say you can't run them on the road, yes, you in fact can, and these are going as a replacement to my factory fogs as it is. Now they have them listed here as wide for the fogs, but in amber you have 7,400 candela per light at 800 lumens. You lose a little bit of lumens. It's about 10-15% of light output when you put it through the yellow filter, which, it's fine. But you get a deep 2000K color temperature on that amber. They are waterproof. They're about 7 inches long by 3 deep and a little under 1.75 inches in height. So that's what I got planned for the fogs. I do want to get the some ditch lights going. So I'm going to tell you what I got going for that next when I get a chance to order everything. So if we come over here to Z1, I want to order the ditch brackets from Z1. These are made of 4mm thick steel. They're powder coated black. They mount under hood here on the hood mount, or hood hinge brackets, I should say. And a nice low profile here. They don't stick up too far. They work great from what it looks like. And the price is reasonable. If I order today, it'll ship in about 2 weeks. Which, probably not going to order them today. But soon. Those are the brackets I plan on ordering. And from there, I want to get the Dial Dynamics SSC2 say the fog pattern again. I'll probably end up getting the security hardware kit, which makes it harder to steal. Doesn't prevent it, because, you know, if someone's determined enough, they're going to take your stuff anyway. So, get the hardware kit for that. These are running about $280. So with the hardware kit, probably looking about $310 plus tax and shipping. So maybe $330 altogether for these. These are the Pro, which are brighter, because you don't know, the SSC2s do come in different power levels. Again, they use the TRR optics. They have this wider, more projected fog pattern, whereas where the flood and combo is really short, these project a little further out. And of course, spot goes way out. Getting the fog pattern is also SAE J581 standard as a driving auxiliary light. Again, I'm going to order these in the amber. These are 7500 candela or 1858 lumen. These are a little bit higher in the color temperature at 3K. But that's going to be my ditch light setup that I think I've settled on. Now, I also have planned for the front bumper in itself, so we're going to go to that next. I've pretty much settled on CBI, the covert front bumper. These are made out of 7-gauge steel. They're fairly lightweight at 75 pounds. I think the Z1 is closer to 90. So with these, you get a gusseted winch mount that's rated for 8 to 12,000 pound winches. You get a integrated 30-inch single row light bar mount. D-ring recovery points, which are soft shackle compatible. It maintains the factory fogs. As you can see, they don't interfere. You get a bull bar that you can mount on there, optional. It's direct frame mount, low profile. And it works with the factory skid plate. That's what the bumper looks like. Not mounted on anything. That's what it looks like here. I like this 30-inch light bar. This is also a Dial Dynamics, and I'm going to show you what bar I plan on getting for this. This bumper comes in at $980. Overall, not too bad of a price. So let's move on to the 30-inch light bar I want to put there. This is the combo beam pattern. So you got your 3 center bars that project down the road, and then you have your fog light pattern here on the ends, which give you your fill and width on the front. So I'll pair that with the fog lights. Should have a good amount of front end fill and spread towards the ditches with a good projection down the road when I need it. That's what that looks like there on this 4Runner bumper. It's a good compact light and do with the combo, so you can see you get a little less projection on the combo, but you get that forward width that's right there in your near field. And these are certified for road use. Again, I'm getting them in amber. So the amber combo light bar, they have it rated at 113,000 candela, 4,000 lumen. It's that 2K color temperature. So this will definitely match the same light color as the fog lights. So that's the plan for my lighting. All this is going to be hooked up to the aux beam. There'll be more to come down the road. So it is what it is. Let you guys get back to your day. Stay safe, stay warm. It's cold outside. And I'll catch you on the next one.